Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G22, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the supplementer, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the device will reach the highest volume of our device speaker here, so the value on the display will change. So let's start. So as you can see, our Motorola device reached 115.1 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.